Yummy.
What are you eating?
Pandesal.
Pandesal with
Milk.
milk. Good morning.
Morning. Yummy.
Si baby, sinasawsaw niya, tapos hindi niya kinakain yung sinasawsaw niya.
Ako po yung huli na baba. Ako po yung huli bumaba.
You're the one who wake up late.
Yes.
Wakes up late.
Yep. You know? Finish daddy. But what? I like waking up late because she's living right there. I like. You know? Okay. Hindi, ikaw ko alis yung mami.
Okay.
But usually I like waking up late because usually Mama and Tito are the first ones who go down before you guys. But I think Tito is closing up. See, baby, I'm not cold. I'm not cold too. I'm using right now, Robert. Every night sun is sparkling right now. That's super crazy. That's why we're gonna let it Daniel. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye white. Oh. That's right.
It's yummy, guys.
Yes, it's yummy. Texas, wow. Why is spy with my little eye
Oh,
white?
say bye na.
Why?
Bye.
Bye. I'm tama si baby. I spy with my little eye white.